Beats Fit Pro are? It's 2 earbuds, 1 name. Is it plural? I'm gonna go with plural. Welcome back to FTW Tech. I'm your host Isaiah, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Beats Fit Pro earbuds. As always, we're going to start with the TLDW, or the Too Long Didn't Watch. So there are very few flaws to the Beats Fit Pro earbuds. The sound is full and vivid. The ANC is great. The spatial audio is surprisingly decent. The transparency mode works well, and the fit is secure. However, the worst aspect of the earbuds is that the wingtip design actually physically hurts my ears. I would highly recommend trying out these earbuds in an Apple store or another store before you buy them. I didn't need new earbuds. I bought the Beats Fit Pro because my friend got me a $200 Apple gift card for my birthday, and I found the sound quality of the Anker Soundcore Sport X10, which I previously reviewed, to be pretty disappointing. With that being said, I've now been using the Beats Fit Pro daily for over a month, and I have some thoughts. At $200, the Beats Fit Pro have to be great. Being Apple products, these earbuds are almost never on sale. The buds come in 7 color options: Tidal Blue, Coral Pink, Volt Yellow, Beats Black, Beats White, Sage Gray, and Stone Purple. Stone Purple? The late 2021 Beats Fit Pro were meant to replace the mid-2019 Power Beats Pro. As some of you may know, I owned the Power Beats Pro for a while, and I liked them a lot, as I stated in my review. However, I had to replace them when one of the earbuds stopped charging in the case. I'm concerned that could happen with these earbuds, but we have yet to see. Like with AirPods, you can get your name engraved on the Beats Fit Pro charging case for free if you buy them directly from Apple. In my opinion, the Beats Fit Pro looks sporty, but not overbearing. To keep the Power Beats Pro in your ears, Beats used an ear hook design where it would actually loop over your ear. However, with the Beats Fit Pro, Beats relies on a wingtip design based on the earbuds maintaining pressure against the inside of your ear. While they are quite secure on runs, just like the Power Beats Pro, the Fit Pro's pressure actually begins to hurt after about half an hour for me. I've never gotten used to the pressure, and it still hurts every time I take them out of my ears. So when I spend $200 on earbuds, I don't want them to be physically painful. When I spend $5 on earbuds, I don't want them to be physically painful. Unfortunately, that is not a luxury that I get with these $200 earbuds. If any of you have any experience with these, please let me know, because these earbuds physically hurt me, at least in my ears, and I want to know if they hurt you guys too. However, it is important to remember that comfort is subjective, so I would recommend trying the Fit Pro on in a store before you consider them. And if you have a friend who has a pair, maybe try them on for like a solid half an hour or an hour. If possible, not everyone's going to be able to do that, but like I said, I would definitely try these before you use them. In the box, you will find the earbuds in their case. The case is relatively large, but not as big as the Power Beats Pro case. Underneath that is the USB-C to USB-C charging cable and some ear tips. That's right, it's not a lightning charger, it is USB-C, so nice. Small, medium, and large ear tip sizes are included, with medium being the default that is in your ears. Speaking of the extra ear tips, there is an interesting feature called the ear tip fit test, in which Apple uses the built-in H1 chip to detect whether the earbuds fit your ear with the current ear tips. I found this feature personally to be pretty useless, but I guess it has potential to be improved for future releases, and maybe it'll do something, I don't know. The Beats Fit Pro case feels very flimsy actually, and it also doesn't charge wirelessly. Now for a 200 pair of earbuds, that is disappointing. With Apple devices, Bluetooth pairing is as simple as opening the case near your device with Bluetooth on. The standard pairing message will pop up and invite you to connect your earbuds. In terms of battery life, the Beats Fit Pro are sufficient but nothing special. Apple claims 6 hours of listening time plus an additional 18 hours from the case for a total of 24 hours. However, these claims are actually with active noise cancelling, or ANC, on. That's actually very impressive. And this means that battery life will actually be much higher with ANC off, so you could expect more than 24 hours. So that's actually really cool how they claim their battery life with ANC on, because that's how most people are going to be using it. Now, according to Apple, when the battery runs out, 5 minutes of charging can deliver an hour of listening time. They call this fast fuel. Additionally, you can use the Find My app on Apple devices to locate your earbuds if you lose them. With Android devices, some Apple-specific features are not present, but there is a Beats app for Android that provides many of the same options as settings on your iPhone. Each earbud has a single touch button located right on top of the Beats logo. With a single press on either earbud, you can play/pause music, answer a call, end a call, or switch between active calls. With a double press on either earbud, you can play the next song or swap audio during a call from your earbuds to your phone's speaker. With a triple press on either earbud, you can play the previous song. By pressing and holding on either earbud, you can reject an incoming call. While I wish these options were customizable in settings, they are not. You are able to switch the single press to end a call to a double press. By default, pressing and holding an earbud switches between ANC, transparency mode, and standard listening. However, you can switch the press and hold to instead adjust volume. That's all there is in terms of customization of the touch controls. You can't even call Siri without saying, "Hey Siri." So that's a bit annoying, and if I just activated any of your Siris, I'm sorry about that. Now that theme of limited customization options is going to run consistent, and you'll see why pretty soon. So unsurprisingly, the Beats Fit Pro have a very similar sound profile to the Powerbeats Pro. However, this is a good thing. As they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The bass is deep and punchy, while the mids and highs are slightly muddy, but overall pretty good. The microphone quality is also quite clear, and it's comparable to the AirPods 3 microphone. In terms of sound customization and EQ, however, there really is none to speak of whatsoever. This is the microphone test for the Beats Fit Pro. I find the sound quality to be quite crisp and clear, and it definitely will suffice for any calls or anything like that. For comparison, this is the mic test for the Anker Soundcore Sport X10. As you can tell, the audio quality in these earbuds microphone is quite a bit worse than the audio quality found with the microphone on the Beats Fit Pro. The Beats Fit Pro offer ANC, transparency mode, and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking to enhance your listening experience. With the dynamic head tracking feature, Beats claims that it essentially tracks the location of your head in relation to the device to change the perceived location of the source of the sound. This head tracking feature only works on iPhone and iPad, and based on my testing, it doesn't really do anything or change the audio in any way, at least for me. The spatial audio experience in general is fine. It's only really immersive and sounds like it's coming from, a wide soundstage if you turn the volume up enough. But it doesn't feel like it's coming from speakers all around the room like you'll find with those YouTube videos from 8D Tunes, the 8D audio. It's not quite like that. It's not on that level. Apple likes to market its H1 chip, which is also found in the latest AirPods. This chip allows you to say, "Hey Siri," to talk to Siri through your earbuds, and it allows you to enable the automatic ear detection feature. Other features include IPX4 water and sweat resistance, and wind reduction with the built-in mic. As a person who wears glasses at school and during gaming sessions, I would be remiss if I didn't mention the glasses test for headphones and earbuds. Since the Beats Fit Pro rest inside your ear canal and they don't hook over, they pass the glasses test with flying colors. The Beats Fit Pro are good earbuds in nearly every respect. The sound quality is good, the features are good, and the ANC is good. However, at $200, it's hard to justify the sound quality that you get. Indeed, these earbuds do have a little bit of that classic Apple tax. Meanwhile, they face stiff competition from Sony, Bose, and Sennheiser, who make similarly priced earbuds with less gimmicky features, but better overall sound quality. In fact, the iconic Sony WF-1000 XM4s are on sale for $200, the same price as the Beats Fit Pro. However, with limited options for sport earbuds that actually stay in your ear during intense workouts, the Beats Fit Pro are a decent option. Still, the discomfort that the earbuds cause is a major detractor from any good aspects they may have. The old adage holds true then. Try before you buy. See you guys.